Hello everyone, welcome back again in this video. I'm Prem. Previously I have posted the part 2 of experience series and the topic was the undigested success. If you want to know more about this video, then please click the link below in the description. For now we are going to start the third part of this series, that is the thought process. Thoughts, the way we think in our life to progress in our life personally as well as professionally. Thoughts creates the desired dream that we want in our life. It builds the goal behind that dream and it initiates the idea to achieve that goal in our life. We build thought process from family, society, education and also social media, which impacts a lot in our life and help us to create our way of thinking for selecting any desired dream of our life. Here I have few experiences that help me and the people surrounded to me to select our thoughts and to select the desired dream related to our life. Maybe it is also the need for someone. So here I have few experiences. In our teenage, we do suggested by our family and also relatives as if one of your family member is getting good salary from a job or if someone is in government job as an officer, then our parents do suggest to us to become like her or him. And they create that thought process in our mind to get a job in our life because they care for our life to be settled. When I was in my graduation, that time my dad suggested me to prepare for MPSC exam as you could become a level 1 government officer and you could settle yourself by having name fame in that job. And our parents right according to their side, but do you ever think is it I want as my dream? Later we will conclude what are the lessons that we can get from this experience. Now we move toward next experience. When we think according to this society, then they think according to the present situation that is being occur in this time. When I was studying in Nagpur before few months back, since the time Corona pandemic had just started, I came to my hometown and where my dad's friend came to my home and he was discussing about his son got a job in Pune and he was doing great in that job. But also he has given me suggestion to do whatever you get as a job because in this time to get a job is difficult. And similar way our society gives us suggestion to become an army officer as you are a great height and also fitness and also you appear for government exam as everyone is applying, you will get there as a job, and in this way we create that thought process to select our desired dream of our life. And according to the society we create our thought process and we may think this is the way we have to go in our life. And also from the next experience we can build our thought process from education too. When I was in Nagpur while attending one of the conference related to the life's event, that time I inspired a lot by the thoughts of the delegated speaker, working style of the delegated speaker and achievement when I see. And I related that thought process as previously happened with me in my childhood. And decided to go with that platform where I had a chance to communicate with the people, where I had a chance to tell my life story with the thousands of people and where I had a chance to make money that is important in your life. And this self-education and self-realization is the better way to select our thoughts and also selecting dream of our life. And now we shift toward next experience that impacts a lot in our life, which is social media and television. As we see many stuffs on internet, how our best celebrity become a celebrity, how the politician leader build their life, how sports person build their life, and how everyone on this television who have got success, and it is help us to find out the way of our life as we create that thought process to build our life as selecting desired dream. As it's happened with me when I was watching cricket on the television, that time I inspired by the cricketer, how he got his name, how he built their lifestyle, that inspired a lot to me and I selected that I could become like them, I could select that dream in my life. Now from this all experiences we have concluded few of the lessons that like to be as follows. From the first two experiences that is related to the family and also society, according to the people and family's suggestion, according to the present situation is being like, we decide our thought process to select our desired dream. As I told you before, if someone saying you to become an army soldier, then don't do it just you will get money and then job. But firstly you need to have skill into it and also the feeling for the nation. Because forceful acceptance of any dream is just helplessness, as you will get job but you will not satisfied with that one. Instead, you have to think what is right according to my thought process, according to my knowledge, and according to my nature of thinking. That is important, because may you have other opportunities rather than this one. As previously happened with me, I cannot crack government exam like MPSC because I cannot read for long, but I can go for software development as I have coding skill where I can develop software, and also I can guide the people because I have little bit good communication skill and interest toward the people. And choice is yours what to select as a thought from family and also society. From the third experience, that is related to the education and the lessons that we can get to build thought process from the education, as by acquiring the knowledge and the skills required for achieving a dream, or what can be suits on us, and what are the choices to get name, fame, and also money from the knowledge that we get from education. And interest is yours to selecting the desired goal of our life through education. Here you can relate when I had attended a life education conference at Nagpur, and I had seen the fame, knowledge, and also communication style, working style of special delegate, and also he was doing something for the society, something for the nation, and he got success, and that achievement inspired for me to select my desired goal of life, and I had to go with that platform. And from the last experience, that is related to the social media and also television, where I choose cricket as my dream because I attracted by the stories of cricketer as a struggle and also the kind of success that they get by having name, fame, and also money. And I created that thought process to selecting big dream in my career and in my life that I have seen from social media and also from television. Many of you have seen this someone near to you become an actor, sports person, or politician because they had been seeing this all stuff on the television, on the social media, and they created that thought process in their life. But selecting this big dream as our profession, we need to have skill and also the talent to achieve that. And important is what is our age, because from your early age you can create that thought process, and also you can build the learning and the knowledge required to achieve that big dream. Otherwise you will never gonna achieve it in your future. And this is all about thought process. I hope you understand the experience and the learning from this video, and I hope you understand how we can create our thought process to selecting any desired dream of our life. And if you have any doubt, then please tell me in comment section. So please do like, share, and subscribe this video. So thank you for watching again.